rosy the rose. I spin and sway, red like fire, I shout hooray. I wiggle my leaves, I wiggle my toes. Come dance with me, let's go, go, go.
Stomp, stomp like a big red rose. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
I'm Sunny the sunflower, tall and bright, yellow like sunshine, big and light. I stretch up high, I reach so tall. Can you jump up just like me? All curves jump like a big yellow sunflower. Jump, jump, jump. I'm Benny the Bluebell, swishy and cool. I twirl and I twinkle just like a pool. I shake to the left, I shake to the right. Let's wiggle and wobble with all our might.
Wiggle like a bluebell in the wind. Wiggle, wiggle. We are the green grass, tickle your feet. Soft and wiggly, isn't that neat? We dance in the wind, we roll and play. Now sway side to side, hip hooray!
Sway, bird.
Sway like tall grass in the wind.
Sway, sway. Red, yellow, blue and green, colorful fun just like a dream. Hop your hands and stomp your feet. The color garden can't be beat. Jump up high, spin around, colors dancing all around. Wave goodbye and give a cheer. We'll come back again next year.
Wow, that was so much fun!
Now you know your colors one by one. Keep dancing, keep smiling, and don't forget the color garden's not done yet.